Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify abandoned checkout emails with Klaviyo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start restoring Shopify abandoned checkout emails with Klaviyo, first, ensure you have a Shopify account and a Klaviyo account. Log into your Shopify admin panel. From the main dashboard, navigate to Settings. Click on Notifications. Next, scroll down to the Abandoned Checkout section. Here, you will see the current settings for your abandoned checkout emails. Now, open a new tab and log into your Klaviyo account. On the Klaviyo dashboard, click on Lists and Segments from the left sidebar. Next, select Lists to create a new list. Create a list specifically for your abandoned checkout customers. Name the list something recognizable, like Abandoned Checkouts. Once done, return to the main dashboard and click on Flows in the left sidebar. In the Flows section, select Create Flow. You can either start from scratch or use a template. For beginners, using the Abandoned Checkout template is recommended. Click on the template to open it. Customize the Flows trigger to Checkout Started. Set the flow to trigger when Now, add an email step to your flow. Click on Email and drag it to your flow. Customize the email design to fit your brand. Include personalized elements like the customer's name and items left in the cart. Next, decide on the delay for sending the email. A common practice is to send the email within 1 hour of abandonment. After setting the delay, review the email content again. Make sure to include a compelling call to action to encourage the customer to complete their purchase. Once everything looks good, click on Save and Exit. Now, go to your Shopify account again. Navigate back to Settings and then Notifications. Disable any default abandoned checkout emails Shopify sends. Return to Klaviyo and ensure your newly created flow is active. Test your setup to ensure everything works as expected. You can simulate an abandoned checkout to see if the emails are triggered correctly. After confirming functionality, your abandoned checkout emails are now set up through Klaviyo. Monitor the performance of your emails through Klaviyo's analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.